Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast, back at you with yet another video, man. And today we are bringing
that Red Dead Redemption, that Arthur Morgan, John Marston.
I ain't got no clue. I'm not a gamer, man. I used to play Madden back in the day.
I used to beat him to death.
Nah, he never beat me, man.
2K.
Even to this day, like, I pick the sticks up and I can still put it on him. Like, no cap.
I'm not gonna curse on this channel, so I'll just leave it at
no
that.
cap.
Just
I still put it on him, man.
No
With
cap.
my teams, if I get the Dolphins or the Knicks,
No crow. No crow.
it's over. It's over. No Kaepernick.
Oh, I'm done. Where them other shoes at too?
Oh yeah, they in here. They in here. We can show those. We can show those.
Yes.
Yep. So, shout out to Assassin Kicks, man. Assassin Kicks, man. I will try to remember to link you in the description, man. If I don't, I apologize, man. A lot of times I say that and then I get to editing and before you know it, bam, them joints is already out there. But met this guy at SneakerCon, ATL, man. I actually copped a pair of these from him. And Trinidad James came. Was it Trinidad?
It was Trinidad.
Yeah.
It looked like Trinidad, but it was Trinidad.
Trinidad came and copped my pair, man. I gave them to him for what I copped them for. Just hooked the homie up. So I talked to the homie over at Assassin Kicks, and he was like, "Yo, I got you. I get you a couple more pairs." So these guys in the building, man. I'm not really sure of the story on these, other than
They dope.
they dope. They completely dope.
Look at this. For the kids.
For the
Baby
kids.
Off-White.
For the kids, man. For the
Baby
kids.
Off-Whites.
I mean, what y'all know about that? That's the details. The devil is in the details, right? Even the wings.
I know,
on
they
the flap.
They even got the wings on the flaps. They even came with the extra
Embossed.
laces.
Extra
The
laces.
extra laces. Even I don't think it comes with this.
It came with everything but the zip tie. If it had the zip tie,
It would have been perfect. I mean, we can get a little baby zip tie though.
yeah. But
These are adorable.
shout out to Assassin's Kicks, man. Great price on these. Y'all look him up, man.
I'm gonna have my kids in these, man. One day, like 7 years from now. I'm gonna have them rocking one time for a picture, and that's it. Like some OG stuff, like they gonna be like, "Yo, you remember those shoes?" Like some boo-boo stuff,
But yeah.
like them Uspas.
It's pretty dope, man. That is pretty dope, man. Shout out to Assassin's Kicks for sure.
Let's see this one.
But today, man, we bringing you the early heat as usual, man. I know these have been all over the place. Like everybody got the early pairs. I just got done watching the homie Tony D's vlog, and he said that he believes that these things are gonna be limited, man. So my suggestion is, if you've wanted a pair of these, like most people have,
Get them.
get on the apps, man. Do your due diligence, man. Hit the reserves, Foot Action, Foot Locker, Champs.
All that. Tell
Enter your
mamas,
raffles, man. Do everything that you need to do
Christmas wish list. You better put it all on that.
because
Mine's like this.
the Concords, man. They iconic, man. They are what they are. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is honestly my first pair. This is honestly my first pair of Concords ever. I did hit from Nike, man. I won't show the top of the box, but you know that Nike take when you see it, man. As I said, I wouldn't show the top of the box. I just showed the top of the box. Address all on that joint. Yeah. I do my own. What you call them
Get
things?
the hell out of here.
Sound effects. I do my own sound effects.
Yeah. Like you some Migo or something. Man. Go ahead, open the box. I'll make a sound effect for you.
So, Jordan 11s, man. They do not come in the typical Jordan 11 box, as you can see.
Weird.
This is the OG box, man, which I could care less. You can't wear the box, man. Why y'all care so much about the box? My problem with the Jordan 11 box is it take 15 minutes to get the sneakers up out of them joints, right? So I like how the packaging looks, but as far as getting the sneaker out of the box,
Yep, I'm wearing these.
kill that. So, so I did get this letter from Nike, man. Description: Air Jordan 11 Retro, style, color, 378037-100.
That's
Order
for all you
quantity
store
1.
owners. That's for all you store workers. You know that one.
Congrats on being the owner of the Air Jordan 11 Retro. And then some more stuff about returns and stuff. So I've never actually seen this letter. That's blamming a little bit on y'all. I apologize. Ain't no address on there. No address on this guy. I checked already. But this is just some kind of information letter, man, I guess. I've never had that in any of my other Nike purchases. So maybe I have and I just ignored it. I don't know. But comes with that regular garbage bag type paper, whatever that is. And the double up is real, man. This pair came from Nike. His pair came from
The plug.
Shout out to the plug as usual. These do release this upcoming Saturday, which is the what? Today is the 3rd.
It's the 8th because we're going to a concert on the 9th, which is Sunday.
Okay, so on the 8th, what concert y'all going to?
Georgia Smith, the singer. Look, I'm just doing it. I'm a good boyfriend. So, it's got to be a gentleman. If you don't take her, she'll take somebody else.
Concords, man. Concords. Now, fun fact. Do you know why they call these Concords?
Because of the grape.
Look at that.
Because, you want to know the only reason I know that? Because everybody who eat at Waffle House, when you get the grape jelly, they say Concord on it. So it's Concord grape jelly. Bam!
This color of the pods is called Concord. That is specifically why they call this shoe the Concord. A more appropriate name for these, to me, would have been like tuxedos or something like that.
The Penguins.
That's what it reminds me of. Like
Mr. Penguin.
like
What's that Batman
tuxedo.
character? The evil one?
Penguin.
Dr. Penguin? Mr. Penguin?
It's just the penguin.
Just Penguin.
So other than that, man, everything about this is typical of a Jordan 11.
Besides,
It did go back to the OG version, which was the higher cut on the patent leather. Like I said, I've never had an OG pair of these, but I do have my 2012 Breads here, and you can see how much higher the cut is on the new Concords, which goes back to the OG patent leather versus what we got in the last go round.
but another thing that's different between the OGs and this one is the 45 on the back of the heel.
Yep.
Because on the regular Concords, they have the 23, which originally Jordan wore 23, then he left to play baseball, he came back and wore 45 and dropped it.
So yeah,
Know your facts, man, come on.
he came back after a stint with the Barons down in Huntsville, Alabama, of all places, playing for Chicago White Sox organization, and I believe that's why we have this colorway and the 45. Why he came back in these to pay homage to the Barons.
These were 23 at first, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. I don't want to feel stupid. You stupid.
So yeah, these guys, man, they are dope. When it comes to Jordan 11s, they do run a little snug, man. I still go true to size because I like them snug. But if you one of those people that don't like your toe box being a little snug, or you have a wide foot, probably go a half size up. I've gone as far as an 11 and a half. These guys are an 11 and a half, and I can wear them unlaced. So that'll tell you how snug they can get.
Hey, if you wear my laces, I can wear them no laces. Alright, cool.
He got them Concords on his feet, man. So, like I say, man, these do release this Saturday. Hopefully, you guys, if you do want them, you're able to get them. Drop me a message on my IG if you need a pair, man. I might be able to proxy a couple pairs up for you. I haven't put my reservations in, but if I get somebody who's willing, who needs them, and need my help, I'll do my best to look out for you. How about that?
No, for real, hit me up. Shoot. I need the
So,
money.
Other than that, man, what's today? Today is the 3rd. Yo, on the 9th, man, we're gonna. Well, I don't know if he gonna be out there, but I'm gonna go to the sneaker exit, man. It's out in. It's out in Gwinnett, man, here in Georgia. So I always rock with my peoples out there, man. I'm hoping to run out there and run into some Union LAs or something. You know what I'm saying?
I doubt it.
Maybe. You never know.
Actually, you might. Gang might have one.
You never know. So I might grab me a little something off the shelf that'll take this a little trade bait and see if I can't come across something.
Take
So-
some Travis's. You don't touch me at all.
Concord 11's in the building, man. You got anything else?
Nah, man. Shout out to the gang.
That's it, man. Dad, son, Camps,